We originally got this robot to animate on set and to lift people and props like cars and stuff like that. So when it's not on set, it was just kind of sitting idle. So we started exploring other kind of processes that we could use in manufacturing. And that's when we looked at 3D printing. We also looked at carving foam, but we ended up going with an additive process just because it's cleaner and quicker. So at least like in the film industry, it's like it is highly competitive, and it's always advantageous to stay on the edge of the curve for advancements in technology. So everyone's trying to always figure out how to do something better, quicker, cheaper, faster. And usually you don't get all four of those things, you get like a pair. So with this, we got all four, mainly speed, but we're able to do things better, quicker, cheaper, and faster with 3D printing, large format at least. So we were using the MDPE10 Industrial version. So we got the upgraded, the screw, we had an upgraded motor, a different gear ratio also. So we're able to turn this thing up to 200 millimeters per second confidently and print. At the time, we were looking for something that was cost efficient and could output a rating that we were trying to meet. This one offered that, and it kind of came in like a full package. And then also we had like amazing support from Massive Dimension with their support team. So anytime we had a question, we had someone to call quickly and get an answer to. With everything here, we can control how quick everything goes out, the quality. We could change things on the fly. Basically, that's why we chose to have it in-house.